Hello, my name is Kate and I'm from Russia, St. Petersburg. I'm 21 years old and I'm studying computer science in State Polytechnical University.
I don't like when my friends call me Kate, or Ekaterina, or Katyusha. My name is Katerina. I started dancing at 6 years old, It was choreography at first, then it was 10 years of ballroom dancing, then I go to contemporary dances and start with jazz. But then I understand that for me jazz is very structurized and I can't express myself, and I start searching something new, and then I found for me contemporary dance. I want to bring something new to Russia because we have got very big problems with contemporary art at all and with dance.
Workshops with different foreign choreographers. I work with such amazing people like Marina Mascarell, Ivan Perez, Eldad Ben-Sasson, Erez Var. I want to talk to people. Dance for me is a language. I think that by the language it gives us a lot of opportunities to express our thoughts, to express our feelings without external noise like blah 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 blah.
Thank you for your attention. I hope you watch this video till the end. Have a nice day. See you soon.